Oh yeah, so I had to replace the alternator because it crapped out on me. And when I first installed this, the voltage was initially at about 13.8. Well, I think it broke in a little bit because voltage at idle and get a sprint. Now that's why I call it a very, very healthy alternator. $142 on Rock Auto, brand new, because I hate reman alternators. I would rather spend 142 bucks altogether for a brand spanking new alternator than $200 for a reman for more right-of-ways. But yeah, new alternator working great. And I'll include a screenshot of the paperwork I got on. They actually tested this alternator, which is supposed to be 136 amps, but it actually has a max output of 150 amps, which is excellent. So I'll probably need to do something with this battery. But yeah, so new alternator from Y Global. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.